Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the account and the exact class identifier. This resolves most class not found errors. Sign out any secondary Google accounts and sign back into the account the teacher used. Once done, open Classroom in an incognito window or clear cache to eliminate credential conflicts. Make sure you use the class code, invitation, or teacher's link exactly as provided. Small typos matter. This first set of steps rules out account mismatch and simple entry errors, so you can move to deeper checks. Now you dig into permissions and rosters. Ask the teacher to confirm you're listed or that an invite is pending. If your school uses managed Google accounts, check with IT. Domain restrictions or suspended accounts cause hidden denies. Meanwhile, disable browser extensions and test another browser or device. Ad blockers, privacy tools, or network firewalls can prevent Classroom from showing classes. Make sure the Classroom app is up to date and that app permissions allow account access. Finish by having the teacher resend the invite or update the class code, then accept it while signed into the confirmed account. If the account is suspended or missing, request an admin restore or use recovery flows. This fixes server-side removal. Once you regain access, sync or refresh the app and confirm assignments load. If problems persist, document the exact error message, time, and steps you took. This makes IT troubleshooting faster and more effective, so you get back into class quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.